Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of numismatics as we explore the value and heritage of the 1945 UK 1 penny coin. Join us on this journey as we uncover the stories behind this coin and discover its worth at a heritage auction. The 1945 UK 1 penny coin. Minted during a pivotal period in history, this coin carries with it a piece of the UK's heritage. The 1945 UK 1 penny coin represents resilience and hope. As the UK and its allies work tirelessly for a better world, each coin is a small but tangible piece of history. This 1945 1 penny coin is unique because of its low mintage. Due to the war, it's a collector's dream, in good condition. It can fetch a significant price at auctions, especially if it's rare or has specific attributes like minting errors or unique features. To truly understand its value, we've traveled to a heritage auction event, where some of the most sought-after coins find new homes. Let's go behind the scenes and witness the excitement. The 1945 UK 1 penny coin just sold for $89,200, making it one of the most valuable and cherished pieces in the auction. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy collecting.